Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Meta Ads, and that is how to use your business manager. So for using your business manager, you need to go to the settings section, and in the settings section you have all the options available. Like you can create new ads account, new pixel, new Facebook page. You can give access to some other person to that particular business manager setting option. So there are a lot of things which we can do with the help of business manager. So in today's video I'll let you know, because this is very important. If you are running a e-commerce agency, you need to give access to the clients. If you want to do that, firstly you need to know how you can use the business manager settings, and in that way you can easily do a lot of stuff. So everything will be discussed in today's videos. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. So first of all, you just need to go to your Facebook ad dashboard. As you can see, I'm on the Facebook ad dashboard, and here you can see the option of business setting at the bottom corner. So in the bottom corner you can see that option. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the business setting page, and this is the business setting, business portfolio page. You can use that particular settings for each and everything related to our advertisement. Now I will let you know step by step, like first option how you can use that, and second option, and in that way I will discuss all these options so that you have aware about how to using the business portfolio settings, and you can give accesses to the other personas. So first of all, in the people section, if you want somebody else to use your Facebook ads account, Facebook page, data pixels, so you can share the access with the help of these sections. You can just click on the invite people button. Here you can enter the email address which they have used to create their Facebook account, and then you can let's suppose I will just 123@gmail.com. So now you can give everything access. Just click on the next button, and that person will get the access like this, and they can easily use your ads account without getting access of it, because you have shared your business manager access. In the same way, there is a partner option. If you don't want to add them through the email, and there is some error, you are getting some error to adding them through any email, so what you can do is you can assign the asset with the help of partner program. So what you can do is, there is a business portfolio ID. Once you go to the business info, you can see the business portfolio ID. So you need to ask the person for which you need to give the access of your business manager account. You need to ask their business portfolio ID, and you just need to add it here as this is the, you just need to paste the business partner ID, and then you can share ads account, pixel, and other thing access with the help of that. So this is two options doing the same method, but yes, through this one you need to give the access through the email, and from this one you can give the access of the person through the business portfolio ID. And after that, the pages section, whether you want to create a new Facebook page or you want to share the access of your Facebook page with the people who you have assigned the business manager access, so you can just click on the assign people button, and here the people who already in the business manager you will be visible here, and you just need to click on that. You can give the access as you want. As I only want to give the access of the content part, so I will assign it, and you can do it as your convenience. In the same way, if you want to create a new Facebook page, you can just click on the add button at the top corner, and you can create a new Facebook page. And if you want to access somebody else Facebook page, you can just click on the request shared access to Facebook page. And if you want to add your Facebook page in the business manager settings, so you just need to use this option. So this is how page section will work in the business portfolio section. So these are very majorly options which we need to use when we run any campaign. And after that, there is an option called ads account. This is the main part of the advertisement. As you know, if we don't have any ad account, we cannot create or build ads, and we didn't get any conversion, sales or leads. So this is very important part of an advertisement, the ad account. So this business manager already have ad account, but if you want to create, you just click on the add button, and here you have the option create a new ad account. Also, if you need to use any other ad account, you can also use an existing ad account, or you can also request somebody else ads account access through this business manager option. So these are the three options which we'll get in the the ads account section. And after that we will talk about apps. If you want to run any app installation campaign, and in the app section, if you want to run, as I've already told you, if you want to run any app installation campaign in the Meta Ads account, you have already seen some ads in which people are clicking on the ad and they will redirect to the app installation, Google Play Store or Apple Store. So if you want to run that kind of campaign, you just need to integrate your app first, and that will be only done in the business portfolio section, like business setting, or you can say whatever you want, like business portfolio section. Because if you will not integrate the app here, you will not able to run any app installation campaign in the main ads account. So this option is also very important when it comes to run a app installation campaign in the Meta Ads Manager. And after that, Instagram account. If you want to use your Instagram page in the advertisement, you want to showcase your Instagram page to the visitors as well who will see your ad at the top. If you want to show your Instagram page name, so you need to connect your Instagram account with this particular business portfolio. So when you connect it, you can easily use it in the ads as well. And after that, WhatsApp account option. If you want to run any WhatsApp messenger campaign, as you can see, there are a lot of people who run WhatsApp campaigns. So if you will integrate the same with the business portfolio, only then you can run a WhatsApp campaign. If you will not integrate it, you cannot run a WhatsApp campaign in the Facebook ads account. And after that, there's a new option coming where, like earlier, this option is not available in the business portfolio, but now it's available. Thread option. As you can see, Meta has introduced Thread, a new channel, so you can connect it here. You can just click on the add button and you can connect it here. If you have Thread account, then you can easily run ads on Thread as well. So your ads will be visible on Threads if you will connect it here. If you don't connect it here, your ads will not able to showcase in the Thread section. And after that, data sources section. This is the section which used to run sales campaign, where you are redirecting the person directly to the website. So catalog, if you know about the catalogs, there is a catalog which we can create in the e-commerce section of the Facebook ads account. I have already created a video. You can see my profile on YouTube and you can see that video as well. So if you want to add a catalog, you can do it here, and after that you can assign that catalog to the person who already having the business manager, like you have shared the access with. And after that, data and pixel. As you know, data pixel work for tracking the conversion. If you have already created a pixel and you have connected it here, you can easily use the same in the ads account. And yes, if you want to create a new pixel, by whatever reason, whether your old pixel is not working or there is an issue with that, so you just click on the add button, and after that you will get an option to create a new pixel. As you can see, there is an option we have got here, to create a new pixel. So in the same way you can do at your end as well. And this is the main options which we are using in the business portfolio option. And if you are aware of that, you can easily do whatever you want in the ads, and all the things will be done through this business portfolio. So it is very important to learn about this business portfolio. Without it, you get many errors and all the things will be resolved for here. So thank you so much for watching my video. So if you have any other query and concern regarding the business portfolio, you can definitely call me or message me or comment in the YouTube video, and you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen as well. So thank you so much. Bye bye.